We are going to make a fancy banner in PowerPoint, which you can use almost anywhere. It's really a sort of undersung sort of feature of PowerPoint. First up, we're going to need some kind of picture, which we're going to use as a background. Here's a picture of a cheetah, which I'm going to use as the background. Okay. Now I want to add some text, so we'll insert some text, and I'm going to put in the word speed. Control A to select it all, and now change the typeface to breeze caps. I'm going to make this text much bigger so it covers up my cheetah a bit. Now the great trick. Click everything off, click the background, hold the shift key down and click the text. Now we look to the top, the drawing tools have appeared. We're going to click format and click on merge shapes. From the menus here we're going to pick intersect, and there you have it, instantly a fantastic speed banner. You can copy and paste that for use in any of your Office applications, but if you need it for something else, then just right click the image and do save as picture, and we can now type that as speed banner. Mine already exists, I'm sorry about that, but there we are, all done. Thanks for watching.